Did you know that in 1994, a librarian literally cooked himself alive inside a microwave to unlock psychic powers? Leon Schmidt was a respected university librarian in Munich with 20 years of careful, quiet service. He spent his days restoring rare books using the library's industrial microwave chamber. But for months, Schmidt had been secretly researching electromagnetic frequencies and their effects on human consciousness. On November 15th, security guards found him inside the massive microwave unit, clutching a rare manuscript. His body was perfectly cooked from the inside out. Internal organs completely liquefied, but his skin remained intact. The cooking pattern suggested he had been microwaved alive at low power for several hours. Security footage revealed the horrifying truth. Schmidt had entered the chamber voluntarily. His research notes contained detailed calculations proving humans could survive controlled microwave exposure. He believed specific frequencies would unlock hidden psychic abilities in his brain. But Schmidt wasn't alone. Similar deaths occurred at universities worldwide. All librarians. All convinced they could evolve beyond human limitations. All horribly wrong.